Okay, so for my uh, screencast here, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft OneDrive. And so I'm going to type it here into the bar, and I'm going to just go to Microsoft OneDrive. So you're going to see I have some folders already set up. If I wanted to make, for example, a new folder, I would come up here to New, drop it down, and click Folder. I can type in a name. Here I'm going to just select Folder, and then click Create. I can go into the folder, and here, if you hit new again, now I'm within the folder. I can create a new document. It could be Word, it could be a spreadsheet, could be, some type of slides presentation. So I'm going to just click a Word document here. And so it's going to pull it up. It will automatically save it because it's connected through the cloud. Now, if I wanted to share this document, I would come here and I would click Share. What I could do is type in an email address, or I can go ahead and copy the link. Now, the default through OneDrive and Word is that anyone with the link can edit, although there are other saved settings that is a little more dynamic even than Google. And so I can use those settings. Now, if I go back to OneDrive, you can kind of see how I have organized my structure here, clicking My Files. And so I have it by class, which is good for me as a system, and so that's how I have it set up.